Hey, I'm Toni J, and in this video I am going to be talking about strawberry roots. So this year in my garden I really wanted some strawberries, and I already bought 3 strawberry plants, and I have a little strawberry kit that I wanted to try out. So I found this at a store. It's strawberry roots, and it comes with 10 inside, and it came in a little plastic bag like this, and it was full of dirt. In this video I'm going to show you how I soaked them and how I planted them. So I planted each of the roots in plastic cups like this, and I labeled them. And when I planted each of these roots, I made sure not to cover the crown. It worked for me a little bit. 3 of these roots actually started growing, like I saw it come to life, but then they died quickly, and I'm not sure if I did something wrong, but these might not have worked for me this year. They might work for you if you try them out. I just want to show my process and show exactly what I did as far as going along with the instructions. Let me know in the comments if you have ever planted strawberry roots and if it worked for you. And if it did, let me know what you did so I can do it next year, because I really wanted to try this. I wanted to try 3 different varieties of strawberries, and this one is the Ozark Beauty, the ever-bearing Ozark Beauty variety of strawberries. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more gardening videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.